I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on vectors. Here is a multiple choice question based on division of line segment. The question here is, express OP as a linear combination of OA and OB when P divides AB in the ratio of 4:1. So let me sketch the segment, which is for you from A to B. And we have an external point O. You can treat this as the origin, right? So this is your external point O. Now it makes sense. Express OP. So P is some point in between. Okay, let's do it like this. So that is P for you. So express OP as a linear combination of OA and OB when P divides AB in the ratio of 4:1. So this is 4 and this is 1. Okay, that's the question for you. So if you know the formula for division of line segment, it is straightforward. Let me give you the formula for line segment. I will also provide you with the link for the proof of the same. So the line segment formula is that OP should be equal to this ratio. If this is M is to N, in that case, N over M plus N times OA plus M over M plus N times, OA, this is OB. So that is the segment formula which you can utilize and then get the answer. That is one way of doing it. Now let us say that you do not remember this formula. Then how are you going to do it? So that's the whole idea. So let's look into this. So AP is 4 and PB is 1. That is the ratio. So we could write this as AP is equal to 4 times PB, right? Since P is dividing this in the ratio of 4:1. Now what is AP? AP is OP minus OA. So we could write this as OP minus OA is equal to 4 times P to B is OB minus OP. Now we need to isolate OP. Let's bring it here. So we have OP, bringing this here, minus becomes plus 4 OP. And taking OA on this side, we get OA plus 4 OB. Correct? So that is 5A OP is equal to OA plus 4 OB. So OP is equal to 1 over 5 OA plus 4 over 5 OB, right? So that is our option number 1. So we get A as our answer. Do you get the idea? So simple to prove. However, if you know the formula, it makes it much simpler. So this is a very useful formula to remember. I would like you to make a note of this, as this is also a very popular question in most of the test papers relating to vectors, right? I hope it helps. Feel free to write your suggestions, share my videos, and if you like and subscribe to them, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.